What's up everybody, Logan here, NFT Tiger is back with another brand new platform. So guys, today we're going to be diving down into what is known as Solmingo.com. So if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification because it's perfect idea. You will be updated with upcoming videos also. So let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own reach, study this platform, take your time, and if you think you can generate the best return, so you can join that. But my responsibility is to provide one of the most top listed projects from where you can generate the best return in the future. So guys, I always try my best to introduce kind of project from where you can generate the best return. So this project is one of them. So here we go, and please don't miss any part of this project because in next 10 minutes I will guide you how you can join that, how you can buy before pre-sale. So it's a perfect time to jump in because it's an acceptable price and you can buy dollar Mingo via Sol, and with one Sol how much dollar Mingo you can buy. So we'll discuss and we will study each and everything about that. It's very important to study and verify each and everything before start investing in any kind of project. So here you can see before launch, you can see one Sol is equal to 100 Solmingo dollar, and current raise you can see 8575384 dollar, and you can join here. You can copy the address, even you can use the QR code also. So all options are available for you and it's your satisfaction. You can see Solmingo jump on, it's before you neighbor turn into the Wolf of Wall Street. So it's a perfect time before joining either one, so you can join directly from here. And please don't miss to join their community. It's very important to join their community. When join your community, you will become the member of their community and you will be updated with upcoming news also regarding this platform, and you will be satisfied to see that because lots of discussion will be going on regarding this platform. So here you can see join the Flamingo journey. So you can join their journey. So each and everything is mentioned and you can easily study that and get more information because there is zero tax. So it's a perfect opportunity for you, and I'm sure you'll grab this opportunity. Here you can see become the millionaire. How you can become the millionaire by joining this platform, because this platform has massive potential inside. So it's a perfect opportunity to join now. So invest dollar Mingo, not just a coin, but a movement as meme coin. We embody the fun and freedom in the crypto world, and you can see the promises and a dive into the unique NFT collections from exclusive digital art. So all information is given. It's a perfect, it's a unique than the other project introduced in 2024, and it's a perfect chance for you to buy now. And you can see here the gallery NFT, the different types of collections are available, and it's an amazing collection and unique one. And I'm sure when you see that, you'll be surprised to see the uniqueness of these NFTs. So here you can see the roadmap. You can see the roadmap and you will see what they want to do in the future and what kind of plan they have in the future and what they are doing now and in the past. So each and everything is mentioned in their roadmap. It's very important to study the roadmap. Next you can see the links are given, and if you have any question you can join the links. I already told you it's very important to join the links. You will become the member of their community and you will be updated with upcoming news also. So I will post all the links in description. If you have any question, just jump in and they will reply you as soon as possible. So next you can see here guys, for your guidelines, there are a couple of videos are available to provide your proper guidelines regarding this platform. You can see the Mingo Club, so you can see the details about Mingo Club. Here's the video available and you can get more information about that. So lack of time, I can't open that video, but it's very important for you to visit that video to provide a proper guideline here. And next you can see the exchange, next you see the pre-sale, and next marketing, staking and project capital and liquidity. So each and everything is mentioned. You can see here the total supply of Solmingo is 21,000,000, and you can see the exchange is 10% pre-sale, 20%, and you can see the marketing 25%. So they categorize perfectly about their total supply, and each and everything is divided perfectly. Next you can see here coming soon guys, यहाँ पे आपको इसकी information, merchandise की detail are given. So each and everything is mentioned, and please don't miss to join the team. Here you can see the team. They have a very strong team was backing up this project, and as far as my experience is concerned, none of the project can be successful without active and strong partners community. It's here they have a very strong partners community who's backing up this platform, and this is the sign of a successful platform that can generate massive return in the future. So I'm sure you're briefly understand about that, and if there is something missing, so please don't miss to join him in the comment section. I will be there always to provide you all the details regarding that. So I will post all the links in description, and you can join the links, you can become the member of the community, and you will be updated with upcoming news. So it's all over. We will meet our next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.